In this video, we're going out for some great boat adventures and also some incredible snorkeling, and then visit the town of Masunte. Hello everybody! It's 6 in the morning and we are still here in the town of Puerto Angel. And today we're going on a boat trip, hopefully to see some dolphins, is what they said, and some turtles, so that's gonna be really exciting. The sun is just about to go up here by the mountains. So we are here now with some people waiting for the boat. It's gonna take us out across the mountains and into the ocean. We paid 600 pesos for this trip. Very nice. The sun is coming up and we are looking for the manta rays and the dolphins and the turtles. We stopped, we haven't seen any dolphins or nothing, but we saw some small jellyfish. We saw no dolphins, but instead thousands of jellyfish. They have no heart or brain, but still move around in the water. They are believed to have originated about 600 million years ago. I jumped in on the open water to look for dolphins and turtles, but we didn't see anything, so we went back to the shore instead. We came in to a beach here. Some people are camping here. I just came up from swimming also, but I didn't see anything, unfortunately. Since there was no swimming pool, I had to jump in and do some cliff tricks. I felt so awake after my swim and my dive. The boat was parked, the sun was shining, and we had jumped into the water to see some really incredible scenery underneath the surface. But I was more interested in looking at Maria than the corals. However, the corals turned out to also be really incredible. I really enjoy snorkeling and seeing all the incredible views. It makes me believe even more so that this world is not just here by coincidence. down, it's almost like you can hear the sound of the corals. Now we're going back after this snorkeling. We saw a few dolphins, but not very close up. But we were heading back on the boat trip to where we had been staying, right in between the mountains. It was soon time to take a taxi again and head over to the next town along the coast. Now we were back at Playa Pantheon in the town of Puerto Angel. We came back to this hotel, but today we're actually leaving. We're going further west along the coast to the next town called Masunte. But first we're gonna enjoy the last moments of this really nice view. Maybe have some breakfast also after our snorkeling trip. The view we had from the balcony was really outstanding. Here is the restaurant of the hotel where we have been staying, and now we're having 1 cup of coffee each after our really nice snorkeling trip. And we also I ordered a salad and some guacamole and an omelette. Here you can stay in luxury for $50 to $80 per day, compared to the more famous travel destinations in Mexico, like Cancun, where you need to spend hundreds of dollars. Really good, 70 pesos, about $3.5 US. We also got some guacamole, really good, nom 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 nom. 60 pesos for the guacamole, almost $3. Really good.
And I got an omelet and I finished it already.
It's time to go. We have packed up and it's time to go from this incredible view here. It was such a nice place. This is where we snorkeled yesterday in between all the mountains. But now it's time to go again. The bag is packed again. So let's take a taxi over to the next town. 150 pesos for this 12-minute ride. I think might have been a bit too much for this taxi ride, but I asked 3 people and they all said about the same price. People have asked me to say how much things cost when we travel around. We came now to a cheaper hotel, just $25 US per night. Not as nice as the other places we had stayed, but we had spent quite a bit of money in the past week. We had come a bit further up the coast in the southwest part of Mexico and the state of Oaxaca. Now we had come to the town of Mazunte, also right in between the mountains by the Pacific Ocean. Here we are on the beach of the town of Mazunte. We're gonna be here for 2 days, so we're gonna start out here on the beach, and then we're also gonna go up on the mountain here to check out the viewpoints and also the downtown area. This was like many other beach towns in Mexico. Lots of really nice mountains, perfect beaches, great weather, and also some coffee shops and restaurants right on the beach. Masunte is a very famous town. Here the buildings are a bit more spread out across the mountains, and you have only a few roads. Right across the other side of the mountain you also have a nude beach, where you can legally go naked as much as you want. But you will see more of that in the next video. We were planning to hike across the mountains and in to one of the most famous viewpoints of the town. It's called the Punta Comita lookout point. So we're gonna go up the mountain here on this side to check out the viewpoints. We walked a bit further up this trail and we're about to see the view here in a little bit. Here we have the first viewpoint and you can see what the place actually looks like from here. Now everything has opened up and we have a really incredible landscape here going out straight into the ocean. So let's go check it out. We had hiked across the mountains on top of a thin walkway, but we were soon about to come out to another really breathtaking view. Sometimes I think my pace is a bit too quick, but I get so eager and excited when there are more landscapes and nice places to explore. Now we're here at the viewpoint after about a 20-minute walk. The sun is shining and it's a beautiful day. These landscapes are just really incredible. They look really untouched, almost as if there has been no people here for a long time. Finally, we had come out to the viewpoint of Punta Comita, which is a really extraordinary cliff formation and a beach that sticks out into the ocean. Now we were sitting there almost all by ourselves and enjoying this really peaceful scenery. When I see places like these, it makes me wonder how and why all of this is here, out in a black space. There are only two possible explanations. Either there was a random explosion that came from nothing, or there was an incredible intelligence that made everything come into existence. We took our bags to go down to the famous beach, and I wanted to jump in and go swimming in the sunset. We are here. It's time to jump in and see what the water temperature is like and what it looks like under the surface. Once we replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts, we will start having a positive life experience. We don't need a new sunrise to start over. We just need a new mindset. Life is full of pain for most people. It will come right where we are and find us, if we let it find us. But if we keep our faces to the sun, we will not see the shadows. We're going back. I had a really nice swim in the sunset. Here is the area right above the beach, and we have some really nice restaurants here and cool lighting. Actually lots of people here too. It seems like the tourism has started to pick up again. Masunte seemed to be a very calm town with narrow streets. In the next video you will see a bit more of the town area. So here is one of the main streets that go through the town, and we also have some smaller roads that go down to the beach from this road, and that's where we saw all the restaurants and bars, and there are also lots of hotels here on the sides of the road. A really cool vibe here, actually, really different from any other place I've seen so far in Mexico. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.